Today's daily dose of math is an example of using comparison to solve a word problem situation. Company A started with 10 customers and added 2 new ones per day. B started with 40 customers and lost 3 per day. When will they have the same amount? And how many will they each have? The first thing we need to do is define variables x and y in this situation. X equals the number of days. Y equals the number of customers. The information for A tells me that y is equal to 2x, 2 new customers per day, times the number of days, plus the 10 they started with. B is y equals negative 3x plus 40. Negative 3, it's negative because they're losing customers, multiplied by the number of days, but we have to add the 40 that they started with. Make sure you do this step because it's probably worth marks. Even if you're able to think your way through creating these, it's possible that you could get less than full marks on a question where you got the right answer if you miss the opportunity to get marks by doing things like defining variables. Comparison says if y is equal to this and y is equal to that, this is equal to that, so I say so. 2x plus 10 is equal to negative 3x plus 40. What I've achieved is turn 2 equations with 2 variables into a single equation with only 1 variable. Doing some algebra, I move the 3x to the other side where it becomes positive. I move the 10 to the other side where it becomes negative. I have 5x equals 30. Divide both sides by 5 in order to isolate my variable. X is equal to 6. 6 days. Remember how we defined x when we defined our variables. I haven't finished answering the question. I know when they'll have the same amount after 6 days, but how many will they each have? This is the easier part. We take our answer of x equals 6 and we plug that into either of the original equations. So if y equals 2x plus 10, y is equal to 2 times 6 plus 10, y is equal to 12 plus 10, y is equal to 22, and the unit will be customers. After 6 days, both company A and company B will have 22 customers. This is comparison in a word problem situation, and this is today's daily dose of math. Make sure to like this video and click the subscribe button.